untold. Now, we hear this a lot. Perhaps you are told, don't get your emotions involved because you are a lawyer. But is that actually true? Is that the right thing to do? Hello everyone, welcome back to Luisa Turnip Law with me, Luisa Turnip. Today I would like to talk about, is that appropriate to involve our emotion when we handle client? And here I think I'm going to reveal you a shocking, not to those people who are already successful establishing their law firm, because obviously they know the answer. Yes, you should involve. You just simply know when to do it. But this one is going to be rather maybe too new, or let's say unfamiliar to the ear of certain people when they claim that we shouldn't involve our emotions when we handle our case when we are a lawyer. I will tell you reasons why you should do contrary. You need to involve your emotion. It can be really fruitful and productive. But yes, of course, it can be 100% destructive and unnecessary when you involve it. When and when. Hi everyone, welcome back to Luisa Turnip Law with me, Luisa Turnip. I work in Togar Situmorang Law Firm. Let's talk about getting our emotions involved. Knowing law is one thing. Knowing how to win people's heart is another skill. And as a lawyer, we are highly recommended to possess these qualities because clients bring cases, and that cases of course rises during the interactions with their fellow human when they are trying to meet their needs, and sometimes issue or problems just inevitable. So then this case come to us. This is the moment when you and I have to involve our emotion, because emotions is indications of we are available, we are vulnerable, and we are open, and we show our compassion and we understand them, we feel for them. And there's exactly the foundations to build a relationship. Between lawyer and client, it's no different than any other kind of relationship out there. Either friendship, romance, or marriage need trust. So it's applicable to lawyering profession. You need to be trusted, and once that trust gain, and then that's the moment where this client is going to open up and slowly to shift or to give the power of attorney, what we call surat kuasa, and give you the authority to handle the case. So now you exactly know why, the reasons you must involve your emotions. And that brings me to my second point, which is do not involve your emotions. Number two, it is once the client send or pass the problem to you to be handled, then you need to refrain yourself from any emotion, because emotions tend to limit, or let's say to narrow our vision. And now when our visions narrow, we couldn't see the case comprehensively. In opposite, we need to see it from a multi-dimensional view, from top, bottom, side, all as much as possible. Well, when that emotion in the way, it can be challenging. So that's the moment you don't want. Once you master, you see the whole picture of the problem, then you master it. You will be able to identify what is exactly the problem, and then from there you shift it, you reflect it to the provisions, the regulations, or the law. There you have it. You make your legal opinion, and then you provide the strategic, the best, less costly solution. There you have it. Simple and brief video why we as lawyer, I'm not yet experienced lawyer, but I can tell you I've been dealing with clients for almost 15 years now. Not really 15, I mean 5 years now. It is really imperative to have that trust on place when you're just starting out building relationship, because how can you even get job if you don't have client? That's our problem. That's our issue. That's our job. Our job is literally problem solving. So get the trust from your client, and then once you get it, refrain from any emotions, handle the problem precisely with confidence. Thank you for watching. I'm Luisa Turnip from Luisa Turnip Law. Don't forget to be part of this channel. If you haven't yet, click that button subscribe, also the notification bell, so whenever I post a new video, you won't miss anything. We'll see you soon.